Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make tubes. These tube baits are injection, so they're not like the hand dipped ones where you hand dip them and then you have to get a cutter and cut them. This mold will actually make it a complete tube. All right, so let's take a closer look. Okay, so here's a closer look. So first of all, I want to talk about the mold itself. The mold I got is the super smooth tube, and it's a 4-inch. So that is the mold. It is a 4-inch tube. All right, so now let's talk about the spline. The spline is what's going to be, the spline is the insert that gets you all the strands here. There's actually 3 different splines that are available. There's the, it's called the Spike 15 strand spline. That's this one. So that means there's 15 strands. Okay, then there's the standard. The standard is 18. Okay, and then there's this one here, which is the squiggle. Sorry, this one is the squiggle 6 strand, and so I can kind of show you. So there's the squiggle. Six strands. This one is the standard, it's 18 strands. This is the standard, it's 18 strands. And this one is called the Spike, which is 15 strands. So you also need one of these. This is a tube insert. Okay, so this is the tube insert. When I first bought the mold, I bought the wrong size. So if you're not sure on what size insert to buy, you can always contact Do It and they'll help you out. So this one is the 1.75 insert, and that works with this this tube mold I have, and it's easy to use. So all you do, put it right in, then you put it in the mold and you're ready to shoot. So let's make some of these. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to go over a little bit of safety. You always want to wear a respirator. You always want to wear a respirator because this plastic stinks. Okay, you always want to have eye protection, and you want to wear gloves. I'm also going to turn the fan on over here, and I'm going to open the door also so we get more smell out. So you're not going to be able to hear me talk because I'm going to have the respirator on. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shoot each one of these. So I'm going to do the standard 18, the Spike 15, and then the squiggle 6. And also a good idea is if you take some like worm oil, you can put a little bit of worm oil on here, and then that way when it's time to peel these off, they peel off a lot easier. I've done it without the worm oil and it does work, but using just a little bit of oil helps lubricate it and helps take it off. All right, so let's get this going. All right, guys, so there you have it. The Do It Molds super smooth tube, 4-inch, makes a great tube almost every single time. Like I said, this is the 4-inch. Do It Molds has a bunch of different types of tube baits, and you know, a couple different sizes of the super smooth as well, but I like the 4-inch. Yeah, so in my next video, I'm gonna make the actual tube jig, the lead that goes inside to fish it, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I appreciate all the support. Please like, share, sub, comment, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate everything. All right, big shout out to Do It Molds. That guy Skimpy. Please subscribe.